bro. I got
The
nothing.
thing looks a lot weirder. This. I don't know why, I just haven't played with this phone in a while. Alright. Oh yeah, by the way, I decided to change my name from, you know how it's Snake before? Now it's Midnight.
And it's back on business.
And Wolf.
Alright, thanks.
My name was originally going to be Dad, but Haley took it.
I thought you were Sorrow.
Sparrow?
Sorrow.
Oh. Right now I feel like
Oh, yeah, it was me. Well, there's many names. It's delicious.
The boy with it. Don't listen out.
I want
Yes, I have. Because my parents don't have only one kid. We never get out. Down the road. Every time we all eat either you pizza or something else.
My camera has a zoom in.